Hey everybody, it's Allison and welcome back to the Unimundum YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a video on some Google search shortcuts that you can use to help narrow down your research results. There will also be a cheat sheet linked in the description of this video if you want to follow along during the video or if you would like to check it out afterward. The first shortcut is if you want to find results that are only from one specific site. So for example, if my teacher told me that I was required to use Britannica as my source, then I would first go find the URL of Britannica, copy link address. Next, you're going to put cite, your URL, and then what you're searching for. So say I want to learn about dinosaurs. So now it's going to give me a whole bunch of results about dinosaurs, but only from the Britannica website. And this is really neat if you have one source that you really like and you want to continue finding information on different topics, but all from the same site. The next thing is if you're searching for PDF or a PowerPoint or a specific type of file for your research, you're going to put file type, all one word, and then your colon again. And I'm going to put PDF. And then say I want to learn about dinosaurs today. Now it's going to pull up a whole bunch of PDFs about dinosaurs. So you can see here that these all say PDF. Okay, the next is if you want to search for the definition of a word, I just put define, colon, and then my word, and it's going to give me a direct definition of it. Next, if you're searching for pages that you want to have a specific word in their title. So for example, if you want the title of the website to have the word professional in it, you'd put in title, your colon again, and then professional. And then you can see here, all of these titles are going to have the word professional in them because I wrote in title professional. Next up, we have if you want to allow different combinations within the search results while still searching for the keywords. You're going to want to put an asterisk in between your two words, and the asterisk goes where you don't care what the word is. So for example, if I want to put San asterisk USA, this will give me stuff from San Diego, San Francisco, and this is really good for if you have two keywords but you don't really care what's in between. Next, if you're doing research for something but you want a specific word to be present, so for example, you chemistry, but you want the word book in there. Next, if you want to search a certain topic but then there's a certain facet that you have absolutely no interest in, you can put a minus sign in front of it. So I can put economics minus government, and then as you can see here, nothing says anything about government stuff. Next, if you want to search for something within a certain number range, this is once again really good for when you're combining sites. So for example, if I want an article about interest rates and I want it from the New York Times, and I put my first year, 2 periods, and then my second year. So this is a really good way to once again narrow down your searches. Finally, I made a little cheat sheet to help. So first I've listed the command, and then highlighted in pink is an example. And then down here I have a couple examples of how to combine them. Alright, that was all the shortcuts that I had for you. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Contact us through Instagram, email, any of our socials. You can find all those at the link in our bio. Once again, the cheat sheet is going to be linked in the description of this video, and I really hope you found this video helpful, and good luck on all your research.